Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everybody. How are you? I hope you are fine. Everybody stay home to prevent the corona, to attack of corona. So be safe for yourself and your family. Today I will start a tutorial of class 5 on English. Welcome to all. Good morning. I am Didar Hussain, head teacher acting, Purborakhi Government Primary School. Today our lesson is class 5 English for today, unit 10, time 45 minutes. You will take this class by using 45 minutes, but this video I will take not more than 15 minutes. This is the learning outcomes. You will choose the learning outcomes from your TG guide. So I don't give elaborate description about learning outcomes. What can you see in the picture? Look at the picture. What can you see? What type of picture have you seen? It's a map of Bangladesh. Everybody knows this map. Now, a question for everybody. How many districts are there in Bangladesh? Can anyone say? Oh, yes. Yes. There are 64 districts in Bangladesh. Do you know what is the name of your own districts? Every people has his own districts. So, every student has a home districts. So, you can say the name of your home districts. I know everybody know your home districts. Do you understand what we may our today's lesson? Of course, today we will discuss about our home districts. That means our own districts. My home district. Let us watch some pictures. You can see a pictures Kishorganj railway station. Another pictures modern hospital in Kishorganj. Another picture of Kishorganj. You can see another picture. There is written in Bangla 250 শয্যা বিশিষ্ট জেলা হাসপাতাল কিশোরগঞ্জ. You can see another picture Norsunda River View Clinic and Diagnostic Center. Another picture Gurudwal College. Which districts of pictures are these? You can easily guess. Kishorganj. Of course, Kishorganj. We saw some pictures of Kishorganj. Now you can see again the map of Bangladesh. Here, two districts, Kishorganj and Dhaka. Look at the map. How far is Kishorganj from Dhaka? You can see in the map Dhaka to Kishorganj distance. Kishorganj is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. You can see another map. It is only the map of Kishorganj districts. This is the map of Kishorganj. Let us know some information about Kishorganj. Municipality 8. Everybody take note. Upazila 13. Union 108. Village 1745. I will ask you to the question. How many municipality in Kishorganj? 8. Okay. Upazila 30, Union 108, Village 1745. Okay, now let's go another. You can see a picture. What is? Can you guess whose picture is this? Do you know him? Brojo Kishore Paramanik. The name of Kishorganj comes from the name of an old landlord known as Brojo Kishore Paramanik or Nando Kishore Paramanik. You can see another picture. Norosunda River. It is a famous river in Kishorganj. The river Norosunda flows through the town. Now we'll watch some important places in Kishorganj. Sulakia Idgah Ground. It is the largest Eid ground in Bangladesh. Government Gurudoyal College. The well-known Gurudoyal College in Kishorganj. It's very famous. Another, the Pagla Mosque. It is a famous mosque in Kishorganj. Jangalbari. It was founded by Isha Khan. Shah Muhammad Mosque. It is also famous mosque at Agaro Sindhu in Kishorganj. It is a famous river. This is called Phuleshwari River. Shiva Temple. The Shiva Temple of Chandravati is on the bank of Phuleshwari River. Some words for you. Everybody watch this very carefully. You can see a picture. He is a landlord. Landlord means the owner of land or a house. Who has a lot of lands, he is called the landlord. Suppose Indukishore Paramanik, Brojo Paramanik was a landlord. And there are many landlords in Bangladesh. He was a great landlord. Oil Nan, whom knows everybody. Very familiar to the people. Suppose Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was a well-known leader in our country. Another word, mosque. Everybody knows the mosque. A building where Muslims say their prayer. Bangladesh is a Muslim country. Everybody knows the mosque. And every day we go to the mosque. The Muslims go to the mosque, say their prayer. What can you see? Temple. A place of worship in honor of some god. The Hindus usually go to the temple for their prayer. Now, everybody open page at 38. I will read the text and everybody listen very carefully. Okay? Get ready. Text A. Read about Mamu's home districts. My home district is Kishorganj. It is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is a district headquarters. The district has 8 municipalities, 13 upazilas, 108 unions, and 1,745 villages. The name of Kishorganj comes from the name of an old landlord known as Brojo Kishore Paramanik or Nando Kishore Paramanik. The area of Kishorganj municipality is about 10 square kilometers. The river Norosunda flows through the town. Next part. Kishorganj is a small town, but there are many important places around it. The largest Eid fairgrounds called Shulakia Eid Ground and the well-known government Gurudoyal College are in the town. People from many districts come to this place to celebrate Eid. The Pagla Mosque is also in my home districts. Outside the town, you can visit the fort of Isha Khan at Jangalbari. You can also see the Shah Muhammad Mosque at Agaro Sindhu. Near the Phuleshwari River, you can see the Shiva Temple of Chandrapati. Now, everybody read this text silently. I will help you if you face any problem. So, read the text very carefully. You will get 10 minutes to read this text. Okay, start. Okay, your time is over. Now you make 3 groups. Every 10 students make a group. Group A, Group B, and Group C. Group A, your activity, match the column A with B. Group B, and you will get 5 minutes. Group B, write true or false. You also will get 5 minutes. Group C, write the answer of the following questions. 6 questions, you will get 10 minutes. Now, every group ready to take down, to take note your group activity. Okay, first group number A. Previously I said you will get 5 minutes. Now, group A, take notes. Important. A, B, kilometer. C, mosque. D, oil naan. E, poet. Number 1, very familiar to the people. Having a great value, a unit of distance. Who writes poem? A building where Muslims say their prayer. Now you will match column A with B. Okay, you will get 5 minutes. Group B, get ready. You also get 5 minutes. Write true or false. It's most important. With the reading of passage, you know about the text, and now you will write true or false. Number A, Kishoreganj is a big town. B, the river Buriganga flows through the town. C, the largest solar ground is situated in Mymensingh. D, Kishoreganj has 8 municipalities. E, the area of Kishoreganj is about 10 square kilometers. F, Kishoreganj is about 150 kilometers from Dhaka. So the next and final activity for group C. Now group C, ready for your activity. Group C, it's very important. Who was Shoaib Nazrul Islam? Which river flows across the river? C, where did the name Kishoreganj come from? D, who are popular writers of children literature? Write the first acting president of Bangladesh. Write the name of 3 important personalities of Kishoreganj. You will get 10 minutes to do your group activity. After doing the group activity, every group will interchange your activity with other groups, and you will check your group activity. And if any mistakes, you will rectify. If you think need of me, you take the help of me. Okay, thank you. Now, homework. After group activity, this activity is for every student. You will write yourself, write 5 sentences about your own districts. In the previous time, I told you that every student has their own districts, and you also have a own district. I have a own districts. So you will write 5 sentences about your own districts. Okay, thank you everybody to help me in this class. Now everybody sing a song together and sing the song. Goodbye.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go away. Goodbye, goodbye. I wish you a good day.